Hi everyone, welcome to our Marine Knowledge channel. This is your Sailor Basha, another technical video, and this video is related to compressors. So I would like to show some maintenance part for the compressor, like renewal of high pressure pipes in compressor, renewal of lube oil filter in compressor, and all those things specifically I would try to explain you practically. So all the time I say, whenever you are working on a compressor, you follow the safety procedures. Switch off the power, do not start, risk assessment, permit if any, close the outlet valve, close the inlet outlet, cooling water, all those things, all those basic safety things you have to follow. And when you are doing any kind of maintenance in compressor, always read the manual. That is the bible for any job which you're going to do, even it is main engine, generator, whatever. Just read the manual. That will give you a very good idea, because you might have worked in same compressor, but a small changes the maker must have given, that will be highlighted only in manual. So we'll go inside the video. This is a Sperre compressor which we are going to do some maintenance on it. We are planning to change the lube oil filter for this Sperre compressor. So you have to take some safety point, like you have to switch off the power, hang the board, do not start, and then next you have to close the inlet and outlet valve of cooling water, and this is the outlet valve for air, high pressure air outlet valve should be closed. So we are closing it. 1, 2, this is the outlet valve, and just remove drain it. So this lube oil filters, before you change, what you need to do is you have to make sure you have the particular spare exactly. Now you have to open the cover of the compressor. So here is a suction filter. This is a filter where which we are going to renovate. So as I told, you just make sure you have the correct part number for the filter which you are going to renew. So after taking all precautions, now what you need to do is you have to use the belt spanner to remove it. So after removing the filter, what you need to do is you have to just check whether any leakage or something, and you have to prepare the new filter. So while removing it, just make sure the oil is not spilling out. So keep a tray so that if any oil is spilling, it don't fall down, it will directly fall on the tray. Okay, so that is what we are removing the filter. So okay, so we removed, everything is done. Next you have to fit a new filter. So now first thing, before fit up a new filter, make sure the filter which you are using is with the correct part number. Okay, so compare it. So now both are of the same. The first thing that you need to do is you cannot fit the filter straight away to the unit. Why? Because if you fit straight away, the air inside the filter will get choked, so that you don't get the pressure. So for that you have to fill the filter with lube oil. The lube oil which you are filling, it don't fill at a time, because it will take some time for all the air to come out, and so you have to fill the filter very slowly. You need to have a lot of patience. Very simple. So you cannot fill it all at a time, because you need to give the way for air to get out. You can see every time I fill, you can see the air bubbles coming out. So again I'm filling the air coming out. So you keep on filling the filter till all the air is completely out of the filter. That is the idea of filling the filter with lube oil. You have to use a system oil. You can see the air bubbles coming out. That means if there is no air bubbles coming out, it means the filter is completely filled with lube oil and no air is trapped inside the filter. Okay, you can see I had been filling the oil for last 2 minutes. Even now the air is coming out. So this is the main thing that you need to keep it in mind when you are changing a filter for Sperre air compressor. You have to completely fill the filter with lube oil. Why? Just to remove all the air from the filter, and so the pump, when it is running, it don't get stuck because of the air particles. So okay, we are done. Now we put back the seal ring on top of it. Very careful, it's all new. And then straight away put back some more, top it up, finish. Now I can fit the oil filter directly in the position. Okay, so now again just put a screw it with the hand, make sure it is fitting. After it is completely screwed, use the belt spanner to tighten it. And it is a simple thing, but a small procedure. That's it. So I believe this video must have given you some information about how to change and what are all the things that you need to keep it in mind when you are changing the lube oil filter for Sperre air compressor. So yeah, see, after hand tightening we are using the belt to tighten it. Sometimes you will be having the, instead of the belt, you will be having a chain. That depends on the supply. Okay, that's all. Thank you all. The job is done.